Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? So in this video there is some surprise that's going to happen. You remember the Z800 which Tilak had? So he actually gave away that bike, and there's a new bike that has come into the group now, and it's the one of the lovable bike, and everyone in India loves the bike so much. And I'm gonna put that video right now after the clip. Highest power bike that we have in the group as well. So do let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let's look for the visuals now.